Hello? Good day. So, quick video lang to. Baka next week na or within the next week or 2 weeks ako makagawa ng talagang solid na video. So, gusto ko lang kayong kamustahin. So, may the grace of our Lord be with you. So, please remember the Lord, especially during times that you don't like so. Ngayon ay tuloy-tuloy lang as of this moment. So, Thailand is in the Lord's mind. So, same with the ASEAN. So, destruction is coming to them. But, ang sabi ni Lord sa akin, all of the small countries that is not really active into war, like Iceland, Greenland, the Lord will assure these countries will be safe during the pandemics to come. So, if your country is not really military active, like sabi ni Lord, hindi kasi, although yes, Mongolia has some, but it is not as powerful military as an India, as an Russia, or in the countries that is besides them. So, all of these countries that has really no way of defending themselves or has little way to defend themselves will be spared during the upcoming pestilences. So, New Zealand is another country, no? So, those peaceful countries, especially, sabi nila, yung mga Samoan, yung mga Samoa, yung mga nasa Pacific Ocean, yung mga islands doon that they really have no way of doing it but to rely on the Lord. These are the countries that will be spared in the foreseeable future. So, that's about it. So, I'll see you next time. God bless.